of patronage. Ano? Yung politics natin talagang ito'y nagdo-dominate eh. Gusto natin lagi, ang inisip natin kasi lagi, even right after election is the next election. No? I remember there's itong dating French president na naging prime minister si Pompidou, Jean-Georges Pompidou. Sabi niya yung there's a whale of difference between a politician and a statesman. Yung statesman thinks of the nation and the next generation. Yung politician thinks of himself and the next election. So, mas marami sa Pilipinas yung politicians kesa sa statesmen. If only majority of our politicians become statesmen, never mind the campaign period. Lahat kami politicians, but after the campaign, after the election, di ba pwedeng break muna sa politics, lahat muna nang na-elect, statesmen na muna. No? Think of the nation and the next generation. Hindi yung think of himself and the next election. Patay tayo nun. Kasi election naman titingnan. So, patronage, magdadanggal na naman ng pondo sa mga LGUs na pwedeng tumulong sa kanila sa election. Wala na katapos. It becomes a vicious cycle.